What's up guys, your boy Big A here. I'm here at a Target and looks like they stocked up on the Hot Wheels. As you can see, it's pretty full. So let's see if we get lucky, guys. Nothing. Looks like this is all, oops. This is the bad thing when the pegs are stocked up. Looks like we're still on G case. So looks like pretty much of the same. There's that 2017 Camaro. I already have it, so still leave it there. This Triumph is pretty cool, but I already have it. We have Tankinator. This is an old one. Just pick that up in a little bit. Here's that clip rod. Let's see. Alright guys, here's some people coming. I'm gonna try to hurry. Let's see. There's this guy here, Motor Wing. Alright, so nothing up there. Let's come here. Here's the 96 Porsche Carrera. It's a cool casting. I just don't like the color and I don't like the decal for the wheels. So that's the only reason I'm passing on that one. Let's see. Here. So here's the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Let's move on over here. Here's the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Pretty cool. I already have it. Let's see. Let's take a quick look. There's that cool Land Rover in blue. I already have it. There's a quad rod. Cool. Let's see what they have on this side. Quad rod. Yeah, a lot of fantasy captions here. There's this guy here. The Rally Baja Crawler. I don't care for. There's a bunch of steel. Recolor. The casting has come out so many times. Let's see what they have here. Nothing. More fantasy castings. Here's the Pictionary one. I understand there's a variation on this one. I just haven't found it yet. So let's see. Volvo. That guy right here. This one from the Netflix Fast and Furious Spy Racers. Here, there's another Triumph. Clip rod. Fantasy castings. Fantasy castings galore, guys. Oh, man. I'm telling you guys, that's a bad thing when these things are full. They drop like flies, man. No kidding. Alright. Let's see. Nothing. Right down here. Yeah, it looks like they have a bunch of fantasy castings, guys. As you can see, I have this guy right here, but I already have it. Won't need another one. Let's see. Yep, and this is the last. Okay, so yep, nothing, guys. Let me put these back. Remember, guys, don't be a-holes, man. You make a mess, pick after yourselves. Employees are more inclined to help you if you clean after yourselves. So let's move over to the 5-packs. So they have nothing, as you can see. They have this one here, the HW Legends, but I don't like it though. I don't know. There's something about it just doesn't quite convince me. Let's take a look at the 9-packs. This one's pretty cool. Let's see what else they have. Oh, check out that Viper in purple. That's pretty cool. What else they have? Oh, check this out, guys. Gasser. Not bad. Here's the Centenario. This is the exclusive for the 9-pack. This one's not too bad. Over here, here's the Maverick. There's another Viper in purple. Check this one out, guys. Here's another Centenario. Twin mill. That one's pretty cool. I already have it. There's that Nissan. Ooh, check out that Acura 2000. Check out the Bug. Pretty cool. Alright, guys, so let's put these back. Okay, let's check out the premiums. We put these out. These car culture ones. But of course, the one that everyone wants, which is that one right there, the McLaren F1 GTR, is gone. But that's fine. I already have a couple of them. There was a shipper here not too long ago, so I grabbed a couple of them. They also have these new Batman ones here. Classic TV series Batboat with the trailer. It's cool. Check this one out. Super Friends Batmobile in blue. We have this guy here, 1966, the Penguin Batmobile. This is cool. I've never seen this one before. Let's see. Here's the Batplane. Very cool. Here's another Super Friends Batmobile. Here's the armored Batmobile. And here's another one, and another one back there. Ooh, nice. Check out the Batman. This is the animated series Batwing. Very cool. And here's another armored Batmobile. So yeah, guys, so pretty much all the same here. Let's put these back. And here they have this guy here. There's a bunch of them. As you can see. And here they have the Mario Karts. More Mario Kart. Mario Kart. These are pretty cool. These have the parachutes. Check that one out, guys. There's some Monster Jam. Still waiting on these new Flying Customs. We have Masters of the Universe. More Masters of the Universe. Here's some color shifters. Here's some Ninja Turtles monster trucks. We really have this guy here, the Nissan RC car. Not worth the 20 bucks in my opinion, guys, but you know, to each his own. That should be more like a $12.99 item. Here they have some more Hot Wheels monster trucks. Okay. We have some box sets. The Roger Dodger is the exclusive, as you can see. Here's another one. There's some more Monster Jam. Some more Monster Jam trucks. This one here is pretty cool. And here's some 2-packs. The decal on some of these cars is pretty cool. Check out this one here. And here they have some Boom City Racers. Cool. They have this one. Let's see what they have for Matchbox. nothing. See that? Check out these 5-packs. Not too bad. Yeah, they have a new set, a couple of new sets out actually. I picked up one of them, which I already showed in one of my videos. Let's see, there's this one here. This rabbit is pretty awesome, man. It's the only card worthwhile in this pack, to be honest with you. This is the one I was talking about. So, pretty cool. A lot of construction cars. And they have some micro machines. Actually, this one doesn't look too bad, man. I like that truck. These two, yeah. I might take it. This is a maybe. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We have some NASCAR stuff. Ooh. We have some Fast and Furious, Jaded Toys. Here's his Plymouth Barracuda. This is very cool. Very, very cool. And I have some more up here. Here's some more NASCAR. Alright guys, looks like that's pretty much it. Did not get lucky this time, but hopefully next time. Catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.